Hi everyone, and welcome to Shellbank's virtual open house. Let's start by hearing from Miss Ahern, our principal.
Hi, I'm Terry Ahern, principal from Shellbank Intermediate School 14, and I'm here to tell you a few things about our school. Shellbank is a very small school. It's a very unique culture. It's very family-like, and everybody feels very comfortable when they're here in our building. That helps us to make sure that our students get an education. We're very forward-thinking here at Shellbank as well. We've been using Google Classroom for a number of years, and that gave us the ability to have a very smooth transition from in-person learning to digital learning and back again as the need arises without any educational lag. We use programs like the Mudagrees to help our social emotional learning. These programs help our students to learn how to be self-aware. They learn how to be aware of others. They learn how to interact with other people. They learn to work with the dogs. It's a very beneficial program that's integrated into our culture here as well. Our students learn, and I think that's probably one of the most important things to say. Our students learn how to think. They learn how to think out problems. They learn how to move forward. They learn how to solve issues that they may be having, whether they're academic issues or whether they're emotional issues. We give them the tools to cope, and we get to know them so that we can help them move along as they go. I hope that you enjoy our video. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact someone at the school. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions or to show you anything that we can show you that you're interested in. Thanks, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Thank you, Ms. Ahern. Now let's hear from some of our students that get an inside look at Shellbank.
This school has a lot of great qualities like the community, the learning environment, the teachers most of all.
This school is an amazing school.
I really love the school. It's a lot of fun activities to do here.
I like Shellbank because of the program that it has and the very unique teachers. We're all like a big family.
I like how everyone's like family, like everyone knows each other.
Going from elementary school to middle school can be really hard, but when I came to Shellbank, I made so much friends, and like everybody there was kind, from the teachers to the students, from all the staff.
When I first came to the school, I felt very welcome.
Everyone looks happy.
You're gonna learn a lot of good things in this school.
There are many like people from different cultures, and you can learn from them.
The learning environment makes you feel more smart, makes you feel more confident about your work, makes you feel more ready for when you walk in through the door.
They prepare you when you type how you might have to handle some college things or high school things.
I feel like Shellbank is definitely preparing you for high school.
Tech in this school is very, very big.
We use Google Classroom for most of our classes.
Pretty much it's an online classroom.
It just keeps you organized. Like you can go to class from class and you have all your work in electronic. When you go home, you can do your work on your phone, on your laptop, or computer.
You got a drive on there. You can make slideshows, pictures.
So I think it's really smart and efficient. Choice is an elective program that you have one time a week, and you get to choose whatever you want to do. We have chorus, violin, Mudagrees, and etc.
There's different programs we can choose from.
And I'm in sports leadership. I will visit other elementary schools and I will teach them how to play sports.
Soccer team, basketball team, softball.
Millennium, where I stay after school till 5, and I play sports or do extra homework. We have a program in our school called Mudagrees, which helps kids work with service dogs. It helps them to train and take care of them, and it also helps kids build confidence and relationship skills.
Well, we have 5 dogs: Golly, Brody, Bakesy, Shelby, and Lady.
My favorite thing about this school would probably be the teachers because they're so kind.
It's the teachers and all the counselors that really care.
The teachers give you support when you're struggling.
Teachers.
I just really love the school.
Thank you, guys. We love our teachers too. As you can see, Shellbank was highlighted in Time for Kids. Hey, are you interested in performing? You can join our Strong Theater Company, which showcases our students' talents each year. Here's a quick clip of students performing at Shellbank. Wow, right? Now let's hear from some of our teachers. Here's Miss Hupart.
Hi, my name is Pamela Hupart. I'm a special education teacher and teach 7th grade math. I run Shellbank's Muddegree program, which is a social emotional learning program that incorporates dogs in our school. The students in my program work to define and incorporate empathy, self-confidence, teamwork, and ethical decision-making into their everyday lives, while also learning about compassion and responsibility for animals through interactions with Shellbank's Muddegree dogs. During typical school years, I am the liaison for Shellbank's College Access for All program, which is an amazing program that allows 7th grade students to learn all about the ins and outs of college. Through interactive seminars, the program helps to create a school culture where students expect to go to college. Students have the opportunity to tour college campuses, see college classes, and even eat in college dining halls, which is usually the highlight for most students. Over the last 2 years, Shellbank students have visited the University of Connecticut, Rutgers University, and SUNY New Paltz. College Access for All has become one of the students' favorite programs to be a part of. Another amazing program here at Shellbank is our theater department. Theater students work all year to prepare for our annual spring production. Over the last few years, we have put on Hairspray Junior, The Little Mermaid Junior, Annie Junior, and Beauty and the Beast Junior. In preparation for our plays, students in the theater department have the opportunity to see a Broadway show. Last year, we were some of the first people to see West Side Story. Whether students enjoy acting, singing, dancing, or creating scenery, there is a place for everyone in the theater department. Shellbank's unique programs make coming to work fun for me and coming to school fun for our students. Being greeted in the main office by our Muddegree dogs, traveling to college campuses, and helping students realize their dreams on our stage are just a few of the things that make Shellbank so special. I hope to see some of you next year.
Thank you, Miss Hupart. Hey, Miss Jeffries, what do you have to say?
Hi, my name is Ms. Jeffries. I teach ENL. ENL stands for English New Language, formerly known as ESL. I get to teach all the awesome boys and girls that speak a second, third, so many different languages. There was one time in my class, we had a combined group of students that spoke 11 different languages. So awesome. So distance learning, right, has become the new norm in our education. Shellbank has adapted to these times and found various ways to bring our courses to life, even though we couldn't be physically present with our students in person. Our ENL department has taken great pride to get to know our students in class while working remotely. Having community building activities in the classroom, such as scavenger hunts, virtual scavenger hunts that we've been using for our after school program, our teacher teams and guidance departments planning our upcoming virtual spirit week, where we get to wear our pajamas, we get to have our crazy hats, our jerseys, and all these other fun stuff that we used to do in person, but now we're kind of doing it virtually, right?
Thank you, Miss Jeffries. Now let's hear from our technology teacher, Miss Donahue.
Hi, I'm Miss Donahue. I'm the technology teacher at Shellbank. I've been working at Shellbank for more than 18 years. Since the pandemic hit, most people have realized how important technology is to education, but at Shellbank, we've always seen technology as important in the classroom. We use technology across all subject areas, not just in my class in the technology lab, but in English, math, social studies. It's something that's really important to us. We, in addition to using the Google tools, all the G Suite apps, we try to leverage many different types of technology in the classroom to help fuel creativity and to bring the outside world in. As an example, for the past few years, we've had virtual reality and augmented reality headsets. And so what does that look like in the classroom? Well, if you're in social studies and you're studying the Great Pyramids of Egypt, instead of just reading about it in a textbook, you can put the virtual reality headsets on and transport yourself there and look at them for yourselves. It just brings learning alive, and it really maximizes the potential for technology in the classroom.
Wow, so much fun. Thank you, Ms. Donahue. Let's hear from some of our students. Hey Aisha, what do you have to say?
I like Shell Bank because it taught me how to actually be a leader and not a follower. And also I love Shell Bank's choice program. Choice is basically something we do every Thursday. Basically, we get to choose some programs we like, for example, art and chess. You get to pick choices you want to be in for half the year, and the second half you get to pick a new choice. Every Thursday you learn on that choice. Not only is it fun, it gives you an example on new hobbies that you are interested in. I like the program art and law and forensics mostly because it is very interesting in my opinion. The teachers here are very dedicated into getting you into high school. They treat you with respect and doesn't tolerate any bullying. You can go to a teacher if you have trouble with something or someone and they will comfort you. I think you will like it here too because the experiences me and my friend had here were incredible.
Thanks, Aisha. Now let's hear from Mikhail.
My name is Mikhail Kazima, and I go to Shell Bank. I like this school because they have a lot of programs like Mondegree, fantasy sports, and movies. And in Mondegree, you usually go to dog shelters or people bring dogs in school and you pet them, you hug them, they lick your face. Fantasy sports is when you go outside, play soccer, football, baseball. And movies is when you watch movies with your friends.
Awesome, Mikhail. Hey, Amoy, what do you have to say?
Hello, my name is Amoy, and I'm an official 8th grade senior in Shell Bank. Here enjoys it, and everyone here is so sweet and nice. The teachers here, they're very amazing because they're so hardworking and they would love their students to pass their classes. They always make sure their students succeed throughout their middle school journey.
Thanks, Amoy. Hey, Asui. Why do you like Shell Bank?
Hi, my name is Isir Hernandez. I like Shell Bank because in Shell Bank you learn amazing things here. There are a lot of good friendships, and there are plays that the drama program fixes for others to see and enjoy. Because of COVID, before COVID, we were allowed to go and see the dogs of the school and be able to play around with them for a while. Also, Shell Bank plans educational and friendships. I like the programs chess, cooking, and art because in chess I learned strategies we could use to play against our opponent. In cooking, we learned a lot of new recipes, and in art, we learned how to draw and sculpt.
Thanks, Asui. So what are academics like at Shell Bank? Well, at Shell Bank, teachers are trained on ongoing educational technology platforms such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and of course, Google Classroom. Because we're a small school, we know our students very well. We emphasize math, science, English, and social studies, and our highly effective teachers are trained in the latest research-based techniques. Students at Shell Bank always show progress on state exams, such as the ELA and math test. Our school is equipped with a library, art program, hands-on science lab, and computer lab. We offer Regents classes and pathway classes to get students ready for the next level of high school. So what's the school environment like? Well, students love our elective choices, such as cooking and nutrition, art, chorus, music appreciation, chess, coding, fantasy football, rugby, softball, law and forensics, and so many more. We celebrate inclusiveness and diversity with over 13 languages spoken at the homes of our students. We have many events, such as Safe Halloween, where local schools can come and trick-and-treat in our halls. Did you know that Shell Bank was the first school in New York City to partner with North Shore Animal League of America and launch the Mondegree program? You want to learn more and see more? Please visit our Facebook page or our website. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us or call the building. Hey, did you notice all the purple paw prints? Go back and count. If you want to know the answer, please find the hidden answer on the first page. We hope you enjoyed our presentation, and we look forward to meeting you next year.